What's up, y'all? It's December 5th, the day of the Toys for Tots meet, and we got a local truck meet tonight after the Toys for Tots meet. So we got a big day for truck meets here. As you can tell, this thing's filthy. So I'm finna get to cleaning, and I want to try and at least get my last rock light placed over my crossmember. I've yet to do that. I still don't even have my wheel lights on. It's been hunting season, duck season, so we've just been blowing the ducks. But I'm gonna get this rig cleaned up the best I can for today, and try and get that last rock light placed. And oh yeah, let me show you guys. So I got bored yesterday after work, and I may or may not have maxed my keys out just a little bit. So she's like, it measures out to like 14 in the front, and I want to say like 12 in the back. Like inches, like, I mean, it's still like, I want to say 8 in the back and 9 in the front. Like, as you can tell, it's like a baby squat. So, I mean, you can't tell it's even squatted, but it gives me that extra clearance, because I'm trying to get rid of these wheels and tires. So, if y'all want them, come get them. Hit me up, comment, hit me on the DM on Instagram. But I have decided to go a completely different way with the truck. I am going to keep it for 2021 and build it. But then after this truck, whenever I decide to sell this truck, we're getting a Duramax, bunch of diesel content. But for right now, I'm gonna try and get this set up. I either want to get like some 22s and 37 grabs for a little Bubba setup and some cash, or try and trade up for like some Forces or some Forged wheels, chrome though, and 37s. I want chrome and 37s, because I mean the chrome, especially with the silver cross member and stuff, and then the kind of chrome in the headlights, I think it would just go a lot better. And then I definitely want to get like a chrome grill and stuff. But we got big plans for this truck. I say big plans. We got more plans for this truck, and I want to start doing some performance stuff with it too. So y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm gonna give this thing a washing. It's 50 degrees outside, so you gotta love it. Look at how dirty she is. I didn't even realize this happened. I cleaned this the other day, like last week. I have not been off-road. This is why you don't get wides, kids. This is why you don't, like, how'd that crap get on the freaking, look at that, look at that. How'd that get there? Well, we gotta get to cleaning with this thing, so. So I would record me, you know, washing my truck, but I'm pretty sure y'all have seen enough of that. But here's the foaming process. At least show you that. First foam, and then I'll show y'all, you know, whenever I get done with it. But it actually did. Knock a lot of the dirt off. Not gonna lie. Oh, another thing. This crap smells like freaking grape cough syrup. Like your NyQuil or nighttime medicine. Tastes like grape. It's exactly what that smells like. It's very weird. All chemical guy stuff has a smell to it. And that's like actually the main reason why I use the product. Besides it being so good. But man, this crap looks good. Hit them with the But yeah.
For Tots 2020, we up in here. We skint back in Augusta. Then you got this.
Masterpiece.
But you know, we here, we up in it. Everybody here. Everything's down there. All the we showing out. My vehicle ain't here. It's at the house saving gas. So welcome. There's a dog right there.
Butter dog.
Dog with a butter. Put a butter on him.
Look at that.
See your ass pulling out.
Symbol.
See, I didn't even see you, man.
But we are out here at the Toys for Tots meet. We're parked in the back because I gotta hide my dent.
What a dog. Dog with a butter.
Y'all look at this BMW right here. That bit is so hard. Oh! It's hard. We got me, Avery, Troy, Dalton, those guys, Aiden, Laroi Bowtie and his crew's over there. JW's in camera over there. How you feel?
It's good meat.
Really?
A lot of people came out. Very surprised. Actually, not surprised.
Y'all saw these Duramax. Oh god. I forget the owner's name. But I think it's freaking unit. And he got a 7-color wrap. Y'all think I should wrap this? I don't know whose piece of crap Homer this is, parked next to me. We got Big Boy over here. Old Mr. That Wide Bow Tie. God, dog, she's thick. See, I wish they had these for my year model. Something that sucks about my truck is they don't make over control arms for mine. Those are freaking clean. That guy's got them ripped too. Oh, and then we got Miss White Bow Tie right here. Freaking. Oh, she's got wheel lights. I didn't even notice that. Look at that. See, this is ultimate relationship goals right here. This is ultimate relationship goals right here. If y'all are watching this, y'all are goals. Just so you know.
Alright, guys. You guys can come on over here.
This monstrosity here. Bag it. Got a little bit grease on the sticker too. Well, boys and girls, we have ran into our first major problem with the truck. As you can see, that tire's not turning. So we gotta get a new power steering pump now. Because we're not moving very far. Y'all may recognize this truck a little bit. Here, I'll show you the beauty marks. Size of mud. That's where I hit a mailbox. I ran into a trash can back here. Another mailbox. This is my first truck by extended cab.